Hi kids, welcome to Spelling by Planet Spark YouTube channel. Day versus night words. Are you ready for another fun spelling quiz? Let's learn about day and night words. Read the hint and guess the correct spelling. Question 1. This shines in the day. Which word is correct? A. S-O-N, B. S-U-N. The correct answer is sun, S-U-N. Question 2. This shines at night. Which word is correct? A. M-O-O-N, B. M-O-N-E. The correct answer is moon, M-O-O-N. Question 3. This is when the day begins. A. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, B. M-O-R-N-E-N-G. The correct answer is morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Now please subscribe the channel. Question 4. This is when the day ends and night begins. A. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, B. E-V-E-N-E-N-G. The correct answer is evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Question 5. This is when it is dark outside. Which word is correct? A. N-I-T-E, B. N-I-G-H-T. The correct answer is night, N-I-G-H-T. Question 6. This is the bright time of the day. Which word is correct? A. D-A-Y, B. D-E-Y. The correct answer is day, D-A-Y. Hey superstar, want to show how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below. Fun activity. Stretch like you just woke up in the morning. Question 7. This is when the sun goes down. A. S-U-N-S-E-T, B. S-U-N-S-A-T. The correct answer is sunset, S-U-N-S-E-T. Question 8. This is when the sun comes up. A. S-U-N-R-E-S-E, B. S-U-N-R-I-S-E. The correct answer is sunrise, S-U-N-R-I-S-E. Question 9. This is the time to sleep. A. B-E-D-T-I-M-E, B. B-A-D-T-I-M-E. The correct answer is bedtime, B-E-D-T-I-M-E. Fun activity. Pretend to go to sleep and wake up. Free one-on-one reading check. Know your child's reading level in just 30 minutes. Click link in description. Question 10. These twinkle at night. A. S-T-E-R-S, B. S-T-A-R-S. The correct answer is stars. S-T-A-R-S. Question 11. This is a short sleep during the day. Which word is correct? A. N-A-P. B. N-E-P. The correct answer is nap. N-A-P. Question 12. This is a long sleep at night. Which word is correct? A. S-L-E-E-P. B. S-L-I-P. The correct answer is sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Question 13. This is the dark sky time. A. N-I-T-E. B. N-I-G-H-T. The correct answer is night. N-I-G-H-T. Question 14. This is when the sky starts getting light. A. D-A-W-N. B. D-O-N. The correct answer is dawn. D-A-W-N. Question 15. This is when the sky starts getting dark. A. D-E-S-K. B. D-U-S-K. The correct answer is dusk. D-U-S-K. Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Awesome job, kids! If you had fun, like the video, and for more videos like this, subscribe the channel. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.